Good morning, it's Graham Bibby on the 15th of June 2015. Very nice date, 15:05 2015. And it's a very good evening last night for the stock market. Here I am speaking to you from the paradise island of Phuket. Quite excited about today's movement or last night's movement. So I'll lead you through a few things that have been happening. So this is the composite Nasdaq Composite Index. We're going back here with this arrow. As you see the arrow moving around, if we follow this over to the left-hand side, let's just get rid of that active in the business. The left-hand side here, this is in June of last year, and you can see the market action. And this is this year, where the tech-heavy Nasdaq, biotech and technology, is leading the way. We were breaking down just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days ago. We'd almost gone below that support level of 4.9. We had tried to break above 5,000. Usually when you break above, you carry on in that direction, but the correction came back. Here we had a lower top than that top. Then we had this bottom and then a lower bottom here. But then we've reversed. We've had a higher bottom 3 days ago. That was the previous top, and now we've got a higher top. And the power of it, the strength of it, the amount of it looks quite encouraging based on that market. Then some of our leading stocks, Gentherm, which we've enjoyed some really good profits from. You see here through March, the whole stock market was trading sideways. Life was a bit difficult. This has moved to a new high, 2.63% up. Apple, one of the stocks I love. Really, since February, it's gone nowhere. It's been under duress. It did seem like it was starting a very nice upward trend in April, then corrected. Same as the Nasdaq. It stuck above the support level 125. And if I was to draw, and it's quite easy to draw. Now, trend lines are just showing you where the market action has been, where the resistance has been, and the level and percentage of decline. So we were in this kind of downtrend here, but this bottom here is higher than this one, and we've broken above that. So I think Apple's about to be on a move. Now, Gilead Life Science, I've shown you this before. It broke out of this downtrend, which started from last November. Resistance, 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 broke out. And then, as we would expect it to do, it will test this level before moving higher. Now, it should have, from where this arrow is now in April, moved higher. But as with everything, it corrected back. But 100 remained the support level. And now we've broken to a new high, and this moving average is starting to turn up. And normally, the longer this sideways movement, and it really started going sideways from last August, the greater the movement is in the direction of the breakout, and we've broken out to the upside. So that looks great. Electronic Arts we've got, broke out of this sideways trading range from February, and is attacking the recent high. It's up 2.2%, looks great. Skyworks, which is another stock I love, makes a lot of the stuff inside the smartphones and iPhones and iWatches. Again, you see no progress since March. In fact, just towards the end of the month, it had corrected over 12%, but now we've regained this bottom, is higher than this one, this top's higher than this one, and we look like we're moving up. So that's quite positive. On the broader market, we're still kind of trading sideways. This is the bottom where the circle is. This bottom's higher, and marginally higher. We need to see really a breakout above 2130 to be off to the races. Dow Jones itself, similar thing, but this trend line, if you carry it across, we're marginally above it. 18250, we're marginally above it. Looks positive. We were looking a bit neg towards the beginning of May, but this bottom's higher, that top's higher. So if we can move higher from here, that'd be great. And the Russell 2000, which had broken down, was the worst performing. Here had broken down even below 1225, which was a bit worrying. And then we had another lower top, and we moved down again below 1225. But now we've got this higher bottom, this higher top, and we moved above. Really, above 1250 would give me, confidence, more confidence that we're moving much higher. So that's the Insiders Club undervalued superior earnings growth. And I keep telling people, if you're not in it, in this service, the Insider Club FOS, where we're doing ETFs, you're really missing a world of opportunities because we have the whole world to choose from. And we're in Brazil. This is the trend. The Brazilian ETF's gone from 35 and it went down to 5. It's not even 8 at the moment. So the upside is significant. A few days ago, we were sort of back testing this moving average, but the market in general moves in the direction of the moving average, and the moving average is pointing up. So that's looking great. We're adding biotech again because I think this sideways movement is over, and the strength last night, 2.54, puts me in with a buy signal. Now, we've been in China for some time. A steep correction at the beginning of May. We're now moving higher. That's looking very positive. And emerging Europe. If we can get above the 33 level, the 32 level, we should see a significant move to the upside. So this is all looking positive for the markets and emerging markets. This is emerging markets here again. They corrected towards the end of April. So, there's been a lot of downward pressure on markets in the last 6 weeks. So we've seen portfolios come back in a bit of a correction mode. But I think now we're about to move higher. So, I keep saying it. I think we're in for a very good year. We don't go up all the time. We get in correction phases. If we break down below certain levels, like my dearly beloved stock, Facebook, naughty stock, broke below support levels here and broke below support level here. But what a huge run last night, 3.74. Looks to me as if the correction might be over. And if I put this onto a weekly chart, you can see it's been fighting going anywhere for quite a period. This is going back to last July of last year. It's been really going sideways. But it does do this. It has a run, a correction, a run, a correction, a run, a correction, then a run, and then sideways. But that's a very powerful move last night. We need to see it follow through, but that downtrend seems to be broken. If we get a bit of a correction and then up again, we will be rebuying Facebook. This is since last August. You see it was going nowhere. It's under a bit of duress. I can't fall in love with the stock. I need to go where the trends are. Even by showing you this, that I only have the interest of the portfolio at heart. Even if I love something, if it's in a downward trend, we're out. But we could look to fight another day, reinvest. So this is Graham Bibby, and we're on 8 minutes and 12 seconds. I want you to look out soon for a new book I've got coming out called Passport to Paradise, because I want to show people in this book how to live the ideal life, the paradise life. I did it. I come from a humble background. Everything I know I've taught myself. I built and developed a luxury pool villa resort in beautiful Phuket. I, like everyone else, have had issues and challenges, but I think we're moving out of all that period. I've been in a period of self-discovery. My Master Your Mind, Master Your Money book has a lot of great things in it. If you really want to know how to master your mind and the way you live your life, and then why I believe I'm in the ultimate business, the business of money, and I think nothing stands between you and opportunity. So right out there now, there's a world of opportunities available to you. The Insiders Club undervalued superior earnings, but the Insider Club FOS fund optimization service allows you to access the world. And the world is full of opportunities. And I got some exciting things to tell you later on about a new explosive growth area that I think is going to be giving exceptional returns. And when I say exceptional, I'm talking multiples of return. So Graham Bibby on the 15th, great day of the 5th of the 2015 year, saying It's coming up for the weekend. Have a great time. Remember all your loved ones, all your friends. Say hi, reach out and show gratitude, and have a fantastic weekend. Bye bye.